Right, I need to zip through town in the fake S3 again. Who's put over Shark Tank there? I fired my editor as well, you know.
Were you real? Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why I got this as well.
Oh, okay.
Sammy D got the sack last night. And his rent's due in 2 days. I did that tactically. Now I got the Mumps videos free.
Yeah.
And now he's suffering because I don't like him. But I'll be honest, reason of sack was just being a dick. He's just a dick, bro. Just go. It's clearly gonna fit. Just go. Come on, mate. Admiral Insurance here. They ain't paying out for shit. Oh, this bus driver's begging it. It's not even that I'm in a rush. I just hate stopping. You know what I mean? It just pisses me off. Why are you braking on the bump? Isn't that worse than braking before it?
Yeah, it ruins the suspension.
Exactly. What this guy's a spastic. Real life retard, this guy. Yo, today's a negative day. Yeah, Sammy D's a waste man though, you know. So I fired my editor last night, so there's no one to blur it, innit?
Yeah.
I can do the bare basics and that.
Yeah.
I can cut the video up, I can do colour correcting, believe it or not. Just gave you my whole CV, bruv. Put me in charge of the House of Commons, mate. Get me a job in politics and I'll do some real colour correcting. You see, none of these are No, that's not very nice, is it, actually? I hate this guy, you know. I don't even know him, I just hate him. He's got a silver C-class. He got a fucking silver. He's stopping when he fits perfectly through. He's got a bubbly rear tint. He tinted his rear headlight. He hasn't even tinted them, he sprayed them. That's spray, because it's not even consistent. And it looks shit, my tired. No, you're a bellend. Don't fucking thank me. You're a fucking bellend as well. But no, why are you stopping there? You don't. She's obstructing the traffic, bro. She's obstructing the bike. You don't know.
He's only one ticket, but every time he says thank you, he does that.
Boys, check out the lineup, man. Honestly though, boys, if you're already in employment or got money and you're looking a way to further your income and you're into your cars, you're into your Lamborghinis here, then press a link in my description and jump on the car flipping, man. You get to drive a different car every day. You're making good profits. I'm talking cars like this making £700 plus. It's quick, easy money and you can't really complain. We've got the blueprint. We know every single thing that you do and don't do to avoid you making mistakes. You just need to go out and get it. I do not recommend this if you haven't already got any money to your name. I do recommend having a bit of income. This is just a side hustle. Get at it, man. It's not a Forex scam or nothing like that. It's cash in hand. You can't really go wrong. I hate this guy. Sammy, that's what I was saying. Sammy D's wham as well. He's just wham. And he was even telling me about stuff like, oh, bro, I feel like this is the end of my life just because I sacked him from an editing job. Bro, get another job. Get an official job. I'm not a limited company, am I, bro? Get a real pay slip, bro. Why are you telling me about end of life? Stop guilt tripping. Don't manipulate me with words. I don't do well with manipulation. I'm saying this on the video, boys, because it's the only way Sammy D can contact me. I've blocked him on all socials. I don't like my editor. He's a waste man. I'm not hiring him again. He has been sacked 6 times, but trust me. No, 7 now because of this latest one yesterday. Yeah. But this incident happened yesterday. I don't really f with Sammy D no more.
How come you got rid of him?
He's just a dick. Sammy D's gonna pass away. Sammy D's gonna die. What's he taking with him? I hope his relatives are good at deadlift. Fat bastard. I hate Sammy D. How's your day been? Alright, yeah.
Yeah, normal day.
Yeah, but once you... Oh, bro, you know what you should do? Get an Uber, get your car, get your license, be patient and that. Yeah. And then just book yourself and go around in circles. Yeah, it's an infinite money glitch, bro. Just keep booking yourself. You won't even have to go drive nowhere either.
Uber drivers get paid like £2 a ride, don't they? No.
Yeah, but if I book myself 10 times, but I just do little rides, that's £20 in my pocket, bro. Straight cash.
Yeah. Not bad.
Why is that one stopped there? There's some real waste men out today, ain't there? I'm not in the mood, to be honest. I'm not in the mood for the public, the general public today. Oh, yeah, man. I've got to go up there, you know.
How's your weekend? Good?
Don't small talk me, you fucking twat. Don't try and manipulate me about how was your weekend. I don't even celebrate the weekend. I fucking hate Sunday. Sunday's full of old bitties everywhere, bro. Fucking bitty day. Fuck Sunday. Oh, what'd you do on Saturday? Fuck off. You know when people beg it as well, oh, do you want to come round? You're only asking me to come round because it's Saturday and you're not at work and you're doing the weekend. Go and fucking leave me alone. I'm not manipulated by this whole 7 days a week, bro. Wake up, do your day and go to sleep. How was your weekend?
Normal, just watch the World Cup.
Yeah.
F1.
I watched the World Cup as well. Well, I watched the France versus England. Yeah. F*** Messi, I didn't watch him. No. Are people actually hating on Argentina as much as I am? Because I ain't seen the general public's reaction.
I think it's mostly people from the UK. Like
Yeah,
they're hating on.
Who's this guy? Excuse me, sir. Hello. Excuse me, sir. Hello. Yo. How does that guy do bus stop trivia? This guy don't even want to chat to me. It might be because he got headphones in.
Yeah. Nah, he just ignored you. They're not even noise cancelling.
What, you reckon he ignored me?
Yeah, because he had them headphones. They weren't even noise cancelling.
Whoa, he's just jealous that I've got an S3. Where's his S3? That's ruined my whole fucking day. Oh, why are you so grumpy in video? That's it. I don't give a f. It's his fault. It's ruined my whole day.
You need to get a hot hatch again. Golf 4.
I've got an S3. What are you on about?
Oh, okay.
I've got a 1.6 diesel S3. Move house.
Oh, yeah.
Why has he got a catalytic converter? That's the type of shit you see on the worst day of your life, you know. Royal Postman Pat's got a catalytic converter in his hand. I did not need to see a catalytic converter in the postman's hand. Postman Pat and his black and white catalytic converter. Pink lorry. Ha! Gay! What up, neighbor? Hi, as a motherfucker. Look at the Royal Mail van, bro. It's had a skin fade over the years. It's not even red anymore. What is that? The lorry don't even rotate with it. It's all just one piece. Yeah. Has he got a welded diff? He's welded his diff. Alright, who's... Nah, mate. No one maxed the S3. We were never gonna get hooked there. The S3 moves, doesn't it, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, I think he wants some, mate. He probably thinks we're S3. This guy's gonna start flying after the camera ready. Oh, he's in a Cupra, bro. And he's gonna find out we're in the 1.6 TDI. Come on, give it some. Yo, it's actually keeping us not. It caught up eventually.
Yeah.
Gosh, anyway, looks like a computer mouse. Rather have one of these, mate. Rather have a S3.
S3 than a Cupra, right?
S3 dishing out 50 mpg on the M1 this morning. Your S3 don't do that.
Yeah.
He's got no exhaust. Where's his exhaust? Why's she angry at me for? What's wrong with them? What the f did I do wrong? As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Knots or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at RizzyElbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello. Bro, is it me, yeah? Every person we drive past is thoroughly staring into our soul. Not even like a subtle looking over to see who's there. Like they're looking in and they're like following us. They got tracking on. Cause you know what I found out this morning? You know POV stands for point of view.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know that, bro. It's in my YouTube name. I just did it because everyone else done it, innit? Yeah. POV this. I thought, yeah, I do. I thought that's just the angle's name. Point of view, eh? It makes sense because it's like this is my point of view, bruv. Imagine, yeah, getting a loft conversion and now you're just in level with the fucking floor. Just put your bed on the floor. Look, his loft conversion's lower than the fucking floor. Yo, I'm a POV channel, mate. You know what I mean? Never thought I'd be imagine having a kid and it becomes a POV channel. That's right, what happened to my mum. Oh, camera gets hot, you know, this time of year. Burns my head, bro. It leaves me looking like a Hindu. Oh, boys, don't you think we ain't gone over 10 mile an hour today, bruv.
Yeah.
We ain't even gone over 10. I don't usually go for over 10. How much for you to be gay?
Billion. 1.
What if I offered you 999 mil?
Yeah, could still work.
What if I offered you 1 mil? Could still change your life with a mil.
Mill you can earn.
Millie's alright as well. What about 20 pence, cause you're easy to barter down, innit? You should start selling cars, bro, and then just give me all your listings. This is fucking manipulation, this, you know. How are we letting an LED actually control us as people? We are a conscious being. A light is a fucking circuit board and a bulb at the end of it. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's a module. And we're letting that dictate us. We are the losers in this situation. People everywhere. Don't help that everyone wants to turn in every junction possible. What are you fucking Google Maps filming every street? Fucking knob. Fuck you. Yo, what fucking mannequin challenge that, bro? Why is it just what don't you think everyone's doing? Everyone's just standing around. Guys are just standing around. No one's even doing anything. You woke up, set your alarm, just to stand around. Get your money up, bro. Fucking standing around. Look at them two out there, standing around. Look at that one, yeah, they're lingering, standing around outside the tanning salon. I think our population's too much, bro. Look at how much cars. Look how much cars there is.
Yeah, like 1 o'clock midday.
1 o'clock midday, and matey stopped at the green light. We are so finished. Look, bro, everyone's just standing about. Look at him, just standing about. Genuinely not even doing anything, not even standing drunk, just standing about. Full kit wanker. And he's got a New Balance as well. So why have you got a full kit and New Balance? So you can't even go to training, you're just a dick. But there's not a full kit wanker there. I don't give a f if he's 6, bro. Full kit wanker.
Guy taking his digger for a walk.
Yo, you can't say that, bro, you're not dark enough. Where do you want me to cut that out? Oh, you said digger.
Yeah, guy
oh,
digger for a walk.
My bad. Mission that. Getting that up a hill. Cause he's going in for the charger and he's not asked for permission. Has he got a knife in this? Oh, there's a label. Wait, what?
No, what is that?
There's a knife. He's cutting himself. Yo, man's doing self-harm on the mains, bro. You can't tell me that's not for attention. Yeah, no. Do you remember them? This is Lou and Andy, bro. Nah, it's not them. They're two. They're a different colour. Lou and Andy are OG skins. Bro, I just find the concept of me being allowed to drive so fucking funny. Yo, how am I actually, like, deep how am I allowed to do this, bro? You know what I mean, bro? People everywhere, mate. Come on, mate. Don't f*** about. That's it, mate. I'm just in and out, bro, and come back in. The lane's all yours. What the f*** is he come here for? Come on, the X1's on job as well, bro. What are they gonna do? Jump the barrier? She's moving now, innit, RS3? If you know, you go National Express. I can't lie, I'd take my S3 any day, but you do you, bro. Woo! Nearly just witnessed a crash. What are we avoiding?
Sign.
What, they want to go in the hedge for it?